Your solution is so wonderful and it's so user-friendly. And so there can be some language barriers. We have a very diverse workforce with multiple languages, and just the ease of conducting the test where it is contactless. The instructions that come with have nice visual pictures. It's really an all-in-one kit where you have it's all encased in plastic that you open. It has the shipping envelope, it has instructions, it has everything you need to do the test. It's very easy, all in one. And then to make it even better, there is the website where we get the results, and that is color-coded. It's very visual at a glance. You can tell the status of a test result, whether it's in progress, whether the test is positive or negative. And as a company, we really appreciate that there are absolutely no hidden fees. Like I mentioned, we had previously utilized a different testing company, and there were subscription fees, there were fees to use software, there was fees to conduct the test, there was fees to process the test. And so with PreScouter, it really is all in one. For $155 per test kit, and we just couldn't beat that. And so it's so simple, it's easy to use, and it really is, it almost sounds too good to be true, but it really is true. So at this time, we utilize the single test kit, and what we do is any employee that was potentially exposed to the virus or met the definition of contact, our process is we have that employee quarantined for 14 days in accordance with our health department. And then on day 12, we have them take the test. And this has been very successful for us, where we don't have someone who is potentially infectious, and we make sure that we're able to ensure any employee coming into work or starting new as a new hire does not have the virus before they start. Looking ahead, we don't necessarily believe the pandemic will be completely over before the next walnut harvest, which is in the fall. And so we plan on using the group testing for all new hires at that time and make sure that every employee is COVID-free before they can start working. We're going to continue our current for any potentially exposed individuals, but pooled testing is what we're going to start utilizing probably around July, where we bring in all of our new hires for walnut season, and that way we just make sure we have a healthy and safe environment for all of our workers. Yeah, we work really closely with our local public health department because, we will freely admit I am not an expert. None of us are experts, and we're all, our health department uses the analogy, it's like we're on a ship and we're trying to captain the ship, but the ship's still being built. And so we all work together, and what we recommend is identifying and working with those experts. So like I mentioned, we showed the PreScouter tests to our health department. They were very excited about it. And so we worked with them to develop what works best for our company. We've taken several proactive preventative measures to make sure there's not community spread, and then identifying, what we can do to make sure any new coming employees, anyone who had been exposed, and take all safeguards we possibly can to keep the virus out of our facility. And PreScouter is it's instrumental to that, making sure that we keep everyone safe.